In this video, I'm going to show you how to use HubSpot CRM for real estate using the easy method. This is a great way to track your home buyers and property listings on your sales setup so you can stay organized and close more house deals. Let's get into it. First, set up your custom property pipeline. The first step is to log into your main dashboard screen, find your active deals page, and build a custom path that matches the steps of buying a house in real life. Open your web browser, sign into your account, click on the sales icon on the side menu, and open your main board view. Click on the settings cog, find the board layout option, and rename your column steps to match house sales, like meeting, house viewing, and offer made. Because a generic sales board does not match how houses are sold, you have to customize this track so you can visually slide a buyer's name from one step to the next as they look at homes. Without this step, your client names would just sit in a big messy pile instead of a neat row. Next, add your home buyers into the system folder. You need to enter the names, phone numbers, and email addresses of your active clients into the system contact folder so you never lose their details. Click on the big Contacts button at the top of your screen, hit the orange Create Contact button, and fill out the empty white boxes. Type in the buyer's full name, their budget number, and the specific neighborhood they want to live in before clicking Save. Because trying to remember every single person's home budget on scratch paper leads to mistakes. By saving these details in the system folder, you build a clean history book for every single buyer. It ensures you have all their home preferences sitting in one safe spot before you take them out to look at houses. Next, link your house details to the buyer profile. Now you need to create a specific deal card for the house you are trying to sell and attach it straight to your buyer's name folder. Open your client's profile sheet, click on the Deals section on the right side of the screen, and click on the Add New Deal box. Type the physical address of the house as the name of the deal, enter the full sale price of the home, and link it to the buyer's name card, because it joins your clients with the actual properties they want to buy. By linking the house data to the person, the system tracks exactly how much money that deal is worth to your business. It is the key step to getting the right output because it updates your main board view automatically. Next, use tasks to remember house viewings and meetings. The final step is to set up automated reminder flags inside the system so you never forget to call a buyer back or show up for a home viewing. Click on the checklist icon next to your client's deal, select the option to add a task, type in your meeting time, and click Save. Turn on the email alert box so the system sends a notification straight to your mobile phone an hour before the house viewing starts. Because being an agent means managing a very busy calendar every single week. Once you master setting up these calendar task items for your property project, the software acts like your personal assistant, telling you exactly which house to drive to next. Now your setup is completely finished and your property board is ready to go. And that's it. To use HubSpot CRM for real estate, you must first set up your custom property pipeline columns. Then you add your home buyers into the main contact folder. Next, you link your house details to the buyer profile using a deal card. Finally, you use tasks to remember your house viewings in meetings. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.